Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving on Old Hope Road. We're driving from Crossroads to New Kingston, and we are on Old Hope Road now. We go straight across the light, we'll stay on Old Hope Road. If we turn left, we go on to Oxford Road, and if we turn right, we go on to Tom Redcombe Road. So if we go on Oxford Road, which is left, that also takes us into New Kingston. And if we turn right, Tom Redcombe Road would lead us to Camp Road. And we could go either to downtown Kingston or Crossroads. And you see how those taxis just pull over. At least they didn't stop in the road, so maybe that's a good thing, but just pull over anywhere. Alright, so at this intersection now you turn left, you go onto Lady Musgrave Road. If you continue straight, you stay on Old Hope Road, and if you turn right, you go on to North Avenue, and then North Avenue will take you into the Swallowfield area where you have the examination depot. Alright, so we are now on Lady Musgrave Road. So there are two very popular locations on Lady Musgrave Road. One is a Spick and Span Dry Cleaners, which is on the right. And the other one used to be, well, it's the Spartan Gym. However, Spartan, the gym has closed down now. But that was a very popular gym in Jamaica. They have some new gyms that have opened, and they operate 24 hours a day. So they have literally changed the gym scene in Jamaica. And so the convenience of going anytime, you don't have to worry about the gym closing early on a Saturday or a Sunday, has really changed the game. So those gyms are doing very well. And it's Express Fitness, that's the new gym. And they have more than one location. They have locations all across the country. So if you're in Portmore and you're a member of the gym, you can use any facility. So if you're in Ocho Rios, you can go to use the gym in Ocho Rios for the day. You pay one membership and you use all the facilities. So that new concept has really changed the gym scene in Jamaica. Very convenient, very modern. Okay, now if we were to go straight, we would go on to Upper Montrose, but we're going to turn left and stay on Lady Musgrave Road. Okay, at this intersection now, if we were to go straight, we'd go on to East Kings House Road. If we turn left, we would take Hope Road down to Halfway Tree, and if we turn right, we'd take Hope Road up to Liquanea. On the left is the Bob Marley Museum, very popular tourist attraction in Jamaica. On the right is the Citibank building. On the left, that's Richards Avenue. On the right is Donhead Avenue. On the left is the head office for Total Energies, and they run the Total gas stations in Jamaica. On the right is Campion College, and that's the number 2 school in Jamaica. It's a high school. Alright, so this is the Liquanea area now. On the left is the Sovereign Plaza. And if we were to turn left on this road, that would take us on to Liquanea Avenue. On the left is a Sovereign Plaza. On the right is the Liquanea Post Mall. Now, alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.